Go ahead.
So we're at 50-50 or 5,050 meters, and check my O2 saturation. So expecting it to be a little low. Big high pulse. Oh dear.
80%? 79.
Yeah, yours was way better.
Holy shit. Yours is not good. Yeah, Scott's oxygen levels like crap. Those are really bad. I think it's normal. A bunch of stairs. So
I just lifted some weights, so.
hang on a second. Considering you just went up the stairs. 85.
You're doing good. I was going down. It's going down.
Don't talk. Exactly. Don't be so excited because you use your oxygen. It shows you how easily you lose it, eh?
Oh, your heart rate's going up.
Okay, I'm sorry. That's pretty good.
Hi, welcome to Pumping Water with Scott. Today we're at, shoot, this is hard to talk like this. We're at altitude 5,050 meters, and I'm just showing you how we pump water in the palm. So here it goes. So first, this pump's good for viruses and bacteria, protozoa, everything basically. So it's a one-step thing. It's a filter, it's a pump. You put it on the water bottle, screw it on like so. Tastes good water, I'll tell you that much, folks. And you just go and pump and pump and pump. Oh, shoot, we're dripping a little bit. Not really though. That's from something else. So
That's it.
That's pretty much it, folks.
And then there's our little, we made a little water bottle contraption to catch the water.
Because you could just usually not, you could normally do this in rivers and stuff, and then you're just fine. But since we got taps, we have to have improvise. That's what I always say.
I'm so cold that I'm shaking with the camera. All right.
Lack of oxygen. 52%.